Get ready for one more round of sunshine and seasonable temperatures. We're talking 80s before we start to crank the heat. And we're talking 90s by the time we get into Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Hey everyone, Darrell here from the Central Oregon Daily Weather Center with a quick look at your most reliable forecast, starting with those weather headlines for this Tuesday, August the 19th. Seasonally warm and dry. That pattern stays with us for one more day. The heat returns Thursday and Friday, and then fire danger and UV conditions, intensities are going to be rising here through the next couple of days. Meanwhile, temperatures this afternoon, mostly in the 80s, a few 70s and 90s out there. And by this afternoon and evening, we're talking late afternoon, getting into the evening, winds will become breezy for many of us. We're talking gusts 20 to 25 miles per hour. After that, winds taper off, and then through the overnight hours, we have a light breeze, but that afternoon breeze returns once again on Wednesday. So when we look outside right here, right now, across the high desert, there are some clouds. There is no rain in sight, and winds are starting to pick up a little bit. We have a broad ridge of high pressure just offshore, and it's keeping this next system at bay. In fact, we're looking at that cloud cover right there, that trough fizzling out. Then we turn our attention to a high pressure over the Four Corners region. That high is going to back build into the Pacific Northwest. That's what brings us sunshine, and that's what brings our next round of thermal ridging. So Wednesday will bring some PM clouds. By Thursday, sunshine. By Friday, sunshine. This is when we're really heating up. And then as we go into the weekend, some PM clouds on Saturday. So for tonight, 50s and 40s across the high desert. Wednesday, 80s, a few 90s and 70s possible. And here's your 7-day planner. We really start to heat up Thursday. By Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, we're well into the 90s. Sunday, a weak system does bring a chance of some showers, but it doesn't knock our temperatures down too much at all. That's the latest in weather. Join us tonight on Central Oregon Daily News while the latest headlines and your most reliable forecasts. See you then.